Hi guys, so I learned this new thing about CapCut that I have to teach you people because I'm not somebody that is very greedy. I share what I know. If that is if you want it, but I know that so many of us are using CapCut for our video editing. So we know that CapCut is making things very hard for us. But we are Nigerians. We can figure way out. We can figure our way out of it so that we are not going to pay anything. We are not going to pay a dime. So this picture I'm going to bring to you now is something I've been using for days. I would say for weeks itself. So I've been using this thing for about a week now. So if you can go through the stress and process, then you are good. You are good. Let's go there. So this is what you're going to do here. First thing first, you have a very good VPN that has every worldwide location. That one first. After having that VPN first, the second one is having a USA Gmail. So before I finish this tip, if you are not following me, make sure you are following me and make sure you share this video so that many people can get this benefit. Yes, we are so many on this CapCut thing that CapCut is frustrating. It's not only you. Make sure you share this video so that it can get so many people. So once you have that VPN and Gmail, USA Gmail, if you can't create a USA Gmail, this is how you are going to create a USA Gmail. You are going to create it, instead of you putting Nigerian number, you are going to put a USA number. So that USA number you are going to put, I don't know if you are going to buy it or if you have anyone in the US, let them activate it for you so that they are going to send them code and they'll send back the code. They'll send back the code to you. Once they send the code to you, you are going to activate the USA Gmail. Once you have that, then you are going to use it to sign up for CapCut. Once you sign up for CapCut, make sure you on your VPN, then connect to CapCut. Once you connect on CapCut, do as if you want to edit any video. Once you are saving your video, to bring up something for you like 1 day claim on us because we are having one error in connection about our CapCut or something. That instruction is there. You will just click the 1 day claim on us for free. So you have that thing for free for the next 24 hours. So you can, in that 24 hours, you are going to be free. You are going to use that CapCut Pro feature for free. They are not going to charge you. So the next day it may expire, maybe in the next 24 hours it will expire again. So repeat that same process again. Once you repeat that same process, if you have claimed another day again, you can off your VPN if you want and you can leave it if you want. So that is another benefit. I know nobody has told you this. I know nobody has brought this information for you people, but we Nigerians, we are bad. We are going to always be finding a way to knuckle out of any problems. Sure you get. So that is the information. Make sure you are following me. Don't be stingy. Make sure you are following me because I will have more tips. So you have, if I see how this video engage, then I'll bring you more tips that nobody has ever talked about online. I beat my chest to it.